Phonics time, and today we're going to learn about long sounds and short sounds. Let's say your rules. When there is two vowels in a word, your first vowel is long, your second vowel is silent. When there is one vowel in a word, it's usually said a short sound, and we mark it with a smile. What is this word? This word is hop. This word is hop. It has one vowel and one vowel is short sounds. One vowel we're going to say the sound, and a long vowel we're going to say your name.
Good job.
Here is the word hope. Here is not a smile. It's a stick. A smile, we're going to say hop.
And the hope we have two vowels.
Yes.
The first vowel is
Your first vowel is long, and the second vowel is silent. And this little O has a stick, and we're going to cross over this line with a little E.
vowel E.
Vowel E. With this word. Mad. Mad. We put a smile on this word.
This vowel.
This vowel. Here it has one vowel, A. A. And here is a stick. Here is the word made. 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 Mix the word with like that. Not with mad, but is
Say
made.
the name.
Say your name. Made. Here is made
And name.
and has this word. This word is cat.
You have one vowel.
Yes, here is one vowel.
It's short sound.
And one vowel is short sound.
Okay, name.
U. Cute.
Okay.
Here is the word cute. It has two vowels and a stick and over a cross line.
Okay.
Read the word tub. Tub. Read in your brain. Don't say loud like this. Tub. But read in your brain. Tub. It has a smile.
Okay.
Here is the word tub. Tub.
We have two vowels.
We have two vowels and a stick and a cross line.
Okay.
With the word came. Can. It has one vowel and we're going to put a smile on it.
Yes.
Cane. we're going to cross this line over little e. Now read this word. Reap, whip. Put a smile on a vowel.
Okay.
Why?
You have two vowels.
Yes, you have two vowels and a stick and a cross line. And we say it's finished and bye. See you next time. Have fun.